The 50 most beautiful countries in the world. Not long ago, Forbes released its list of the world's most beautiful countries in 2022, and Indonesia took first place. Up to 50 most beautiful countries in the world, according to Forbes based on money.co.uk research. The list is organized by the number of natural wonders in each location, from coral reefs and rainforests to volcanoes, glaciers, and more. In a study of the world's most beautiful countries, Indonesia scored her 7.77 out of 10. Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands of hers. Among its many islands are some of the best tourist destinations in our country. From the UNESCO World Heritage listed Komodo National Park to the tropical forests of Sumatra to Borneo, home to the protected primate orangutan. Sal Hockey, his personal finance editor at money.co.uk, explains that vast coral reefs can be found on the coasts of Indonesian islands. More than 31,000 square miles of coral reefs are home to marine life, most of which can be explored in popular Bali. Here is the list of the most beautiful countries in the world in 2022, compiled by Forbes. 1. Indonesia. 2. New Zealand. 3. Colombia. 4. Tanzania. 5. Mexico. 6. Kenya. 7. India. 8. France. 9. Papua New Guinea, 10. Comoros. 11. Ecuador, 12. United States. 13. Vanuatu, 14. Japan. 15. Solomon Islands, 16. Italy. 17. Philippines, 18. Peru. 19. Australia, 20. Costa Rica. 21. Norway, 22. Argentina. 23. Grenada, 24. Malaysia. 25. Tonga, 26. Iran. 27. St. Vincent and Grenadines. 28. St. Kitts and Nevis. 29. Chile, 30. China. 31. Samoa, 32. Bolivia. 33. Nicaragua, 34. Eritrea. 35. Jamaica, 36. Cape Verde. 37. Greece, 38. Thailand. 39. Venezuela, 40. El Salvador. 41. Myanmar, 42. Uganda. 43 Iceland, 44 Russia. 45 Dominican Republic, 46 Switzerland. 47 Northern Mariana Islands, 48 Haiti. 49 Panama, 50 Sweden. 'Which country do you think is the most beautiful?